Hello artists! Today we're unboxing and swatching the HIMI 24 color Gouache Tube Set, a must-have for vibrant, high-quality painting. This set promises rich pigments, smooth consistency, and endless creative possibilities. So let's dive in. The set comes in a sleek, well-organized box, keeping all 24 tubes neatly arranged. Each tube is securely sealed, ensuring the paints stay fresh and ready to use. The packaging is sturdy, compact, and travel-friendly, making it perfect for both studio and on-the-go paintings. This gouache set is all about intensity and versatility. The paints are highly pigmented, creamy, and smooth, making them easy to blend and layer. They dry to a beautiful matte finish, giving your artwork a professional touch. Whether used thick for bold strokes or thinned with water for a watercolor effect, they adapt to your style effortlessly. So now the fun part, let's swatch all the 24 shades. This set has some fiery reds, which includes deep red, Ponceau, Oriental red, and rose. They add warmth and energy, perfect for florals and dramatic compositions. There are a range of vibrant yellows, which includes medium yellow, lemon yellow, and earth yellow, which bring in a pop-up of sunshine, ideal for highlights and lively scenes. Then the set has cool blues, from the striking acid blue and sky blue to the deeper Prussian blue and Cobalt blue. These are great for oceans, skies, and gradients. This set also includes lush greens, which offer a natural touch perfect for landscapes and botanical art. There are also elegant purples and neutrals, which are excellent for skin tones and soft highlights. And of course, this set also has essentials and earthy tones, which includes burnt umber, ultramarine, black, and white. And they provide contrast, shading, and highlights to complete the set. While swatching, it's so clear that these colors are vibrant, rich, and smooth. The coverage is fantastic and the blendability makes them ideal for both layering and flat washes. So whether you're working on bold illustrations, soft gradients, or mixed media project, this set has everything you need. And what is more interesting is that this set is available at a whoopee 50% off at the Thobi Arts website. Grab your set and start painting. Now we're looking at the swatching of all the 24 colors. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.